Guess what? We just got these One Piece kitties in. Let's see who we pull. Hands in!
What?
Pick a One Piece kitty.
I want Shanks.
Ooh.
Who'd
Wait,
you get?
which one?
Do you know who
I got
this is?
Tiny Sanji.
Very cute. Shanti!
Yes.
Pick a One Piece kitty.
It's not Sabo.
It's Chopper!
Look at that. Okay, I'm okay with Chopper.
Beto, pick a One Piece kitty.
Woo! I ruined the box.
But you're gonna get Sabo.
Who is this guy? I don't like Zoro.
Get it for my friend.
It's nothing compared to Chopper. One Piece sucks.
Priscilla! Pick a One Piece kitty. Who'd you get?
Luffy?
Oh, lucky!
Wait, can you put his hat on?
It's stuck. So cute.
Cute.
Gina! Pick a One Piece kitty.
Gosh.
Who do you want?
What do I want? I want Luffy. Let's go.
I got Lao! Can you pick a One Piece kitty?
I don't know who this is. Is that Sanji?
Sabo!
Oh, Sabo. I don't know who that is. Alright.
Pick a One Piece kitty.
There's only two.
Pick one!
I hope I get Luffy. My god. Oh, I got Shanks, yo. Right? Yeah. Yeah, I got Shanks. Gotta keep it.
Jude! Pick One Piece kitty.
Okay. Oh, it's Ace.
What is in there? Oh! Is that a poster? The gift set comes with this little cute can of cat food, or it can be purchased as individual blind boxes. Which one is your favorite? Available at shumistore.com.